Hi, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Katrina and my job is to help you speak and read Mandarin with confidence and joy. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about how to use cai in Mandarin Chinese. This question was actually coming from one of my program students. She asked me how to use cai in Mandarin Chinese, and a lot of teachers are teaching zhou and cai together. And as you can see right here, I wrote a lot of script here for zhou and cai. That's a lot of content. So I'm going to split how to use zhou and cai, this content, into many different video lessons. Without further ado, let's get started. So 6 ways to use cai in Mandarin Chinese. Number 1, you plus time and cai and the action to talk about the action actually happened later than the speaker you expected. 我平常8点起床，但是今天10点才起床。平常 meaning usually. So I usually get up at 8 o'clock. 但是今天 but today 10点才起床。So I got up at 10 o'clock today, but using cai to tell people that I got up later than usual or than expected. 我花了10年才把中文学好。It took me 10 years to master Mandarin Chinese by learning. 我花了10年，花 meaning to spend time. So I spent 10 years 才把中文学好。So 把中文学好 is the result. So it took me 10 years to get the result. So using cai to show that it took more than you expected to master Mandarin Chinese. And by the way, if you want to learn how to use ba, I happen to have a video. Make sure you check that out. The second usage, when you put cai before a number, it means that this number is shorter, cheaper, lower, fewer than the speaker you expected. For example, 这台电脑多少钱？1万块钱，才1万块，那么便宜。So in the conversation, the person asks, 这台电脑多少钱？ How much is the computer? And the other person answer, 1万块钱 is $10,000. And the person answer, 才1万块，那么便宜。才1万块。So 1万块 is $10,000, the number. By using cai, you express that this number is lower than you expected. So it's just $10,000, so cheap, 那么便宜。Next, 你今年几岁？我今年18岁，才18岁，好年轻啊。So the second conversation, the person asks, 你今年几岁？ How old are you this year? 今年 this year. And the person answer, 我18岁 I'm 18. 才18岁 Just 18 years old? Just only 18 years old? 好年轻啊 So young. The next usage is put cai before a statement to emphasize your own opinion or to strongly deny other people's opinion or idea. For example, 你知道吗？钱买不到快乐，那你把钱给我，我快乐给你看。我才不要。So in this conversation, you can see that the person says, 你知道吗？钱买不到快乐。You know what? Money cannot buy happiness. 钱买不到快乐。And the other person answered with humor. He said, 那你把钱给我。Then give me your money. 我快乐给你看。I'll show you how happy I am with the money. And the other person say, 我才不要。By saying 我才不要, using cai, you're strongly showing your opinion. No way, no, 我才不要。台湾的天气实在太热了。台湾还好吧？我觉得泰国才热。So in this conversation, you can see a person says, 我觉得台湾的天气实在太热了。So the weather in Taiwan is so hot. And the other person say, 台湾我觉得泰国才热。I think that Thailand is hot. When you say 泰国才热, it means that not only you think that Thailand is hot, but you are strongly disagree the previous opinion, which saying that Taiwan is hot, but you say, you know what, Thailand is hot. 泰国才热. Next one is putting 刚刚,刚才 or 刚 plus 才 and plus action to talk about that you just have done something not long ago. 我刚刚才吃饱，吃不下了. So in this example, you can see that person says, 我刚刚才吃饱. 吃饱 meaning full by eating. So I just finished eating and I'm full. 他刚刚才出门。他刚刚才出门。他刚刚才 So as you can see, 刚刚才 just now. 出门。出门 literally means outdoor. It means that to go out of house, to be out. So 他刚刚才出门. He just stepped out. 他刚刚才出门. The next way to use 才 is putting 就 together. The structure would be 才 situation 1 and 就 situation 2. 我才出门就下雨了。我才出门 So 出门 step out. I just step out. 就下雨了。就下雨。下雨 here is the second situation, second things that happen. So I just step out and it rains. So first action is 出门 I just step out. 我刚刚才出门就下雨了 and it rains. So as soon as I stepped out, it rains. So in this case, you're emphasizing that the raining happens soon after I stepped out. 我才买了新手机就坏了。So in this sentence, 我才买了新手机. So the first thing is 买了新手机 bought a new phone. 就坏了。就坏了。坏了 here is the second thing that happened. So it means that as soon as I bought this new phone, it broke. Alright, the next one is condition, 才 and action. This one you can use with your kids or with your student. Condition, 才 and action. Let me give you an example. 你要吃完饭才能玩乐高. So in this sentence, 吃完饭 finish eating is the condition. 才能 So you are able to 玩乐高 play Legos. So the action is 玩乐高 to play Legos. To make this happen, first you need to have the condition 吃完饭. Next example, 写完功课才能看电视. 写完功课 finish writing homework. So when you are done with your homework, 才能 so you can 看电视. So if you want to 看电视, this action happen, you have to do the condition first. 写完功课 finish your homework. 现在房子那么贵，我得存够钱才能买房子。现在房子那么贵 The houses are so expensive right now. 我得 I have to 存够钱 save enough money. So this is the condition 存够钱 I need to save enough money 才能够 So I cannot be able to 买房子 So if you want to 买房子 this action happen you have to meet the condition 存够钱 save enough money. So we finished 6 different ways to use cai. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want to become my student, make sure to click the link in the description. I have a link that you can join to be my official student. Thank you so much for being with me and I'll see you next time. 再见。